welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a collaboration with a Korean skincare brand called LANEIGE. I have been loving their products because the consistency is so light and amazing. The products are completely water based. Now they basically believe that having optimal amount of moisture in your skin leads to beautiful, flawless, shiny skin. So in the video you're going to see everything about this product. I've applied it, I use it in my routine, so let's get started. So I'm sure you guys know that our body is made up of 70% of water. What happens with age is that the moisture barrier of your skin starts slowing down. You lose collagen also, and that is why you don't find your skin as supple, soft and shiny like it used to be when you were in your teens or in your 20s, in your early 20s. After 30, your collagen level also drops, your moisture barrier also drops. And hence it's very important to keep your skin moisturized internally by drinking enough water and using products that put in a lot of moisture into your skin. Even though if your skin is oily, it is important to moisturize your skin so that you get really nice, soft, supple, glowing skin even when you're in your 30s, 40s or 50s. So this very interesting Korean skincare brand really works on instilling a lot of moisture and water into the skin. It also helps in increasing the water barrier of your skin so it retains more moisture. With age, we start to lose a lot of our skin's vitality due to stress and environmental damage. So the first product is the Water Bank Hydro Essence, and I use this after I have toned my skin. This is enriched in green mineral water from vegetables, which will give you moist and clear skin. It also puts in 6 different essential minerals into the skin and retains long-lasting moisture. And I'm sure you guys know a serum or an essence is a more concentrated version of the product and ingredient, so it works 2 times more in really repairing the skin. The consistency of every product is so light and gel based that you can keep layering these products and it gets absorbed into your skin also very easily. So the second product is the Water Bank Moisture Cream, and now I really like this moisturizing cream because it's so hydrating with gel-like light consistency. It strengthens the skin and also retains moisture through the day and night and also relieves intense dryness. And the best part is that it has mini hyaluronic acid, which helps in drawing water to the skin for supple glowing skin. And now with winter coming, we all need to moisturize our skin day and night. Now the third product was a little different and surprising for me because I've never come across a product like this. This is the Water Sleeping Mask. It's a really genius product. It's called the Water Sleeping Mask because it goes on like a mask as the last step of deep hydration and is left overnight. This has Sleep Tox technology which purifies the skin during the sleep and also helps the skin to recover overnight. The consistency of this is also gel-like, so I apply a thick layer of this on my skin. It gets absorbed in about 5 minutes, and in the morning I wake up with really nice, supple, hydrated skin. And the last product, which is my favorite because this really smells of real berries, is the Lip Sleeping Mask. It gently melts down all the dead skin cells from the lips, making it soft and smooth. It's rich in vitamin C, which works on dry, rough lips. And it also has evening primrose root extract, which works on moisturizing the lips. And trust me you guys, I was blown away because this really smells of real berries. So I start off with taking the essence after I have cleansed and toned my skin. I just dot it on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my nose and chin. And then I just gently emulsify this product on my cheeks and nose and chin first, and then go in circular motion on my forehead and emulsify it. And then I take the moisturizing cream, which is gel based, dot it all over my face like the first step, and then just rub it into the skin. And then I take a little bit of the Water Sleeping Mask with the little spoon that it comes with. And what's also important is that you should inhale the fragrance of this for about 3 to 5 seconds so that it really de-stresses you out, so you get a good night's sleep and you see the best results the next morning. So if your skin is not very dry, I would suggest you to just do this probably once or twice a week and not apply the mask every night over the moisturizer. I also like to apply the sleeping mask under my eyes and also on my neck, so it's really nice and hydrated. And then I take the lip sleeping mask, remove a little bit with the brush it comes with, and I apply this all over my lips. Also, don't forget to apply this on the corners of your lips because that is the area which gets really dry in the winter. And if you can see in the close-up, with all of these 3 products applied on my skin, it does not come across as though I have applied too much because all of these products are so lightweight and gel-based in consistency. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys have loved the products as much as I have, LANEIGE is basically launching today exclusively on Nykaa.com. So head on to their website and check it out. They also have a couple of launch offers, so definitely go there. All the other details are in the description box, so check it out. Like this video, comment below and tell me what you feel about the products. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!